This lockdown has left us all stressed up. People have lost hopes amidst this hectic scenario. So here is a cinematic video that will take you to the wild and into the woods. Plug in your earphones and experience the beauty of nature on your screens. These forests not only regulate global temperatures, they also cool and regulate local microclimates and limit the Earth's reflectivity. The chirping of birds create a meditative environment. These jungles are home to a variety of flora and fauna. The fight between the deers create a pleasing sight, a little fun apart from our life, which is full of chaos and confusion. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. If you look deep into the nature, you will fall in love with it. Guys, I guess you can connect yourselves with the reality through this video. I'm sure you all must be enjoying this video, so do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Forest may be gorgeous, but there is nothing more alive than a tree that learns how to grow in a cemetery.